Welcome Primary 2. I am Ms. Nermeen Said, your science teacher for Primary 2. Today we will study Lesson 5, Day and Night. But before we study Day and Night, let's watch this video. In this video, you can see that Sun, Earth and Moon. Sun lies at the center of solar system and Earth revolves around the Sun, while the Moon revolves around the Earth. So we have here Sun, Earth and Moon. Sun lies at the center of solar system and Earth revolves around the Sun, while the Moon revolves around the Earth. Also we can see that Earth makes two rotations. One revolves around the Sun and the other revolves around itself. Earth revolves in two ways. Number one revolves around the Sun, and number two, Earth revolves around itself. So again, Primary 2. Here we have Sun lies at the center of solar system and Earth revolves around the Sun and also revolves around itself, while the Moon revolves around the Earth. Primary 2. Sun is a huge ball of gas. Sun is a huge ball of gas and it's a source of heat, light and energy. Sun gives us heat, light and energy. So Sun is our source of heat, light and energy, and Sun is a huge ball of gas. And Earth moves in two ways. Earth moves in two ways. Number one, it rotates around itself or its axis, and number two, it revolves around the Sun. Again, Primary 2. Earth makes two rotations. Earth makes two rotations. Number one rotates around itself or its axis. Number two, it revolves around the Sun. Earth rotates around itself in one day. Earth rotates around itself in one day, but Earth revolves around the Sun in 1 year. In 1 year. So Earth rotates around itself or its axis, it takes 1 day. But when Earth revolves around the Sun, it takes 1 year. Primary 2. In our day, we have day and night. Do you know why? Look at this figure. For example, we have here the Earth and the Sun. Half of the Earth that faces the Sun, it's at daytime, while the other half, it's at night time. Again, Primary 2. The half of the Earth that faces the Sun, it's at daytime, while the other half, it's at night time. In this picture, we can see that Sun and Earth. The half of the Earth that faces the Sun, it's at daytime, while the other half, it's at night time. When the Earth rotates around itself, the other half become in daytime and the daytime become in the other half, so it has a night time. Primary 2. We said that Moon revolves around Earth, right? Moon revolves around Earth, and we can see Moon in the sky at night. When we see the Moon, we can see it shiny, right? But Moon is made of rock. It's not hot or shiny like Sun. Moon is made of rock. Moon is not hot like the Sun. It's made of rock. But why we can see the Moon shiny? Why? Because the Moon reflects the sunlight. Moon reflects the sunlight. Do you know what the meaning of reflect? Moon takes the light from the Sun and gives it to the Earth. Moon takes the light from the Sun and gives it to Earth. So we call it reflect. So moons reflect sunlight. Moons reflect the sunlight. The moon takes the light from the sun and give it to the earth. So moon reflects the sunlight. Thank you, primary 2.